Hello everyone, and welcome back. So this time we're going to learn how to draw a line in SOLIDWORKS. Now that might seem really simple, however, it actually has a lot to it. There's a lot of different ways you can do it, and there's reasons you might use different types of lines in your drawing. So we're going to go over several of those things this time. Now, to draw a line, first off you have to start a sketch. Now, you've seen how to do that. You go up to your Sketch tab, click it, and you find the Sketch button. It will ask you to choose a plane. Now this time I already chose the front plane, so it's already oriented that way. Once you've done that, you go up here and you find the line button, which is very simple because it just shows a line. You click on the line button, and this will be a line that you're going to use to make something, a feature, or you're going to cut something using this line. And you can tell that because it is a solid line. To draw the line, I click and then I drag to wherever I want the other end of the line to be. It's always a straight line. Interestingly enough, there are ways that you can make this curve, but as an extra feature, you have to click on Option to make it so it will curve for you. Okay, so I can click anywhere I want, and when I do that second click, I actually begin a second line. When I begin the second line, you'll see several things. You see some yellow lines that are coming out of the original line. You see it right here, you see it right here, and you see how the original line turns orange whenever I hit one of those yellow lines. This is because SOLIDWORKS is saying, oh, is there a relation you want to add here? If I do either one of the perpendicular lines, you see the yellow perpendicular symbol right next to my pencil appears. And that says if I click there, these two lines are going to be held as perpendicular forever until I delete that relation. If I click right here, you see that my original line turns orange, and now this line is now going to be collinear. It means it's always going to be in the same direction and same line as my original line segment. And also you can see that the midpoint of my line is shown. If I wanted to, I could click to that. Other things you'll see is that I can see the point where I'm going to be horizontal with the original point of my line or with the top of my line. Either one of those relations can be added in there. I can also do it where I am vertical to that point. So I'm directly underneath it, right there, or directly over it right here. Lots of different things I can do here. At this point, I am both horizontal to one point and vertical to the other. So there's a lot of things here to help you out when you're drawing your lines. And I will continue to draw lines until I stop clicking and hit the escape key. Now if I haven't clicked the second one, notice this last line segment, I'm going over here. If I hit the escape key, that doesn't get drawn. Only when you have finished clicking both endpoints of will actually get drawn. Okay, so we've drawn some lines here, but how do you use these lines? Now, you have other shapes. You have circles, you have rectangles that you can draw, and those are all well and good. When do we use lines? Well, lines are usually for anything that is not a rectangle or a circle, or most easily made with a rectangle or a circle. For example, perhaps I want half of a circle. Well, then I would draw a line straight down the middle. And if I want to, I can then get rid of half of that circle. So I've used a line to divide something, to alter another shape. Or maybe I have a rectangle. Didn't zoom in nearly enough there, that's okay. And I want to cut off a corner. I can do that. And now I can cut off that corner if I want to, and I have another shape. So most often lines are used to alter shapes, or they're used to make blocky, irregular shapes. Like for example, in class we did where you had to draw your name, or draw the letters of your name. And if I want to make an L, I could do that with two rectangles, but it's probably going to be faster for me just to do it with a bunch of lines. So as always, there's usually several ways to do things in SOLIDWORKS. And lines are a good way to do them. Sometimes there's faster ways to do it. Under no circumstances should you try to make a circle with line segments. It's just going to take forever. Okay, that will stop here, and next time I'll talk about the two other line types that are available to you in SOLIDWORKS and why you might use those. Hope this helped you. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.